Hello and welcome to Little Blue Star. I'm Jane Allen. Thanks for joining me today. I'm just making this good luck card it's really simple with some like DSP and things. So I'm using this Lucky Clover stamp set. So what I've done is inked this onto black, heat embossed it with white powder, and I've also inked my good luck in Memento black just on some plain white. So that's what I've done there. So that's just inked up. This one is the one that I inked in Versamark onto black and then heat embossed it with white. So I'm hoping you can see that lovely crisp white image against the black. But I just got a little tip, so I'm just going to pop these together. So obviously I've used my Versamark for that. That's the clover that I used with the Versamark. That's the good luck stamp that I've already stamped. Here is a like piece of DSP that I was using for another project, and waste not want not, we always like to use our little scrap, so I used a scrap of DSP on there, and now I'm going to use this piece onto this card. So as I say, I'm just making a very simple good luck card. So a layer of black onto my base card of Parakeet Party, which is that gorgeous lime green colour. It's so lovely. And then this little scrappet of DSP, so left over from another project. So I'm just going to pop that onto my card roughly sort of there. And then again, I'm just going to layer this up. So, but what I wanted to quickly show you was using your Stampin' Blend, so any colour you like. Obviously I'm matching my base card of Parakeet Party on here, but just to show you that you can colour your white heat embossing. So obviously that's my white embossing powder, but just to show you, go on with your the colour that you want to use. So for instance here I'm using my green Parakeet Party, but this obviously will work for all of your blends. So if you've got anything that you want to use, obviously when you're using the white embossing powder. I love the white against the black because it gives that crisp gorgeous white image. I really like that, but sometimes you do need a little pop of colour, and you know, using your blends is so nice. So that's all on there now, and then you've got that gorgeous green colour. So as I say, just a little tip there. So if you don't want your white, you can just use your Stampin' Blend. So once you've done your heat embossing, you know, you can use your Stampin' Blends to use that colour. And like I said, a very simple little good luck card, handy to have in your stash to make. Just finish it off with some rhinestones just around the edge, just around and about. There we go. And then, as I say, a very simple good luck card. Hope you like that today. So that's just a little quick tip for you. As always, thanks for joining me. Do subscribe if you haven't already done so. It really does help me, and I will see you again soon. Bye.